we could go. Go, we could go. Hey, hey, hey. Hand sanitizer. Hey. All 2020
That's how you do it.
Be responsible. Period. Keep reading. Hey, hit the wall. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. More hand sanitizer. Oh, and that's how we do it, bitches. Okay. Period. They're such guys.
Two shots of vodka. 2 shots of vodka.
Ounce of Malibu, half ounce of Jaeger. 1, 2. It's gonna be a half ounce of pineapple juice. 1, 2. 1, 2. It's gonna be a half ounce of triple sec, half ounce of rum. 1, 2.
My sister was obsessed with Daddy Yankee. I'm like, bro, back then I'm like, no. I was team Daniel.
I know!
That guy. I forgot how to say
Don't
it.
mind.
Yes, him.
Yo, I remember that, and I used to be all for Daddy Yankee, and she would always shit on Daddy Yankee, and I'm like, why? And she's like, don't mind. And I was like, but they even made like songs too.
Yeah. He don't even sing no more, which is so sad.
Right. Daddy Yankee's still in the game though.
And he looks the same.
Ooh, this is so nice. So we did use her facial radiance pads from First Aid Beauty to prep the skin. Hey. So for skin prep, we are going to listen. Oh my gosh, listen to Bad Bunny.
First thing on the list.
Literally, first thing. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we don't own any of this music in the background. It's playing softly in the background, so you cannot copyright us. YouTube, period, because we just want to enjoy Bad Bunny while we're doing our makeup because his new album is amazing and we love Bad Bunny, so like, leave us alone. Period.
That silver phone keeps falling, bro. Understand?
So for skin prep, I'm using my Good Molecules Rosehip oil. I ended up putting a little too much. As you can see, I look like a grease ball, but it's okay. We're gonna fix this, you guys.
The face oil / moisturizer I got from Monet, and it's absolutely heaven in a bottle. And it takes away like my dark spots. Like I had like acne scars when I was pregnant, and it took it away. This is going away slowly as well.
And for my moisturizer, I'm gonna be going in with my primer moisturizer from Good Molecules. It's a 2-in-1, and honestly, I never thought I would use a 2-in-1, but it's really amazing.
I'm actually not going to put no moisturizing lotion because the oil does it itself. And the skin absorbs like all the oil, so all of the shininess like goes away. Smells like lemonade. It smells so good. Okay.
Why do I keep putting so much primer on? I'm like, why do I keep I'm like pumping it up, you know? Just pumping it up.
Add some on your neck too, you know? YOLO.
Oh yeah, you're right.
The primer that I'm gonna use is it's from Too Faced. You guys already know how I am with my Too Faced, you know what I'm saying? I actually need more because look, I use this so much.
It is, honestly, we're not gonna lie. You can say about Too Faced, but they do have a good primer. That hangover primer.
I'm like, everything, even my palette. The foundation that I'm gonna go ahead and use is Huda Beauty. Alright, so I'm gonna just give you a little quick story on how I even came about this foundation. Normally was using Fenty Beauty matte, the level 300, whatever, and I felt like it made me look like orangey but dark at the same time, and that was like my summer foundation. So then I just kept on like using it in the winter time, and I'm like, girl, I look like people. Anyway, we should put a picture. Like,
Gotta keep
Secret, can you keep it straight? This one you say, better look it in your pocket, taking this one to the grave. If I show you, then I know you won't tell what I say.
So for foundation, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation in 240. I absolutely love this foundation. It's nice and full coverage. Go back, honey, go back.
I swear to you, it matches my it looks weird. I look green. You know what's so weird? Back in high school, never once got pimples, bro. Never. And then when I had my son and my daughter, it was like... Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead with my concealer, and it's from Chart, Medium Honey.
For concealer today, I'm gonna go in with my LA Colors Conceal It Concealer. I got this from the Dollar Tree, you guys. It was only $2. Go watch my previous video and check out all the cool Dollar Tree makeup that I found.
On your nose.
And then on your forehead.
Yeah, a little bit on your forehead.
A little bit. Cut that right here. Ooh, cut that thing.
You do that? I don't know. I'm gonna do it.
And then I like putting some right here. Bebecita. Hey, blend.
Blend that bad boy out. Man, I spoke too soon. Because he's playing Call of Duty, guys. So if you guys do hear him, I'm sorry. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead with LIT Cosmetics Contour My Face.
I'm gonna be going in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer to contour my face.
Everybody does their makeup differently, and I feel like it's cool that it's like that because everybody has like their own techniques and whatnot.
I love Fenty, come through, come to me. So we decided to do our eyebrows off camera. I'm gonna be going in with my Buxom blush in Wanderlust.
And the setting powder that I'm using is Allure Mercier. For blush, I'm actually going to be using Wonder Beauty, and it's a trip for two, and it actually has a bronzer in the blush in a little cute little package.
I'm gonna be going in with my highlight, and I'm gonna use actually Yelika's Moonlight highlight palette from ABH. Going in with Pink Heart for my highlight, and then Lucky Clover for my nose highlight, because I like a bright nose highlight for some reason.
Be using the same palette, Moonchild, and I'm actually gonna go in with Lucky Charm as well because, you know, St. Patty's Day, you know what I'm saying?
St. Patty's Day, we gotta use the Lucky Charm highlight.
Gotta represent somehow, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Alright, so dip like that.
Lucky Charm.
Shout out to my girl Alexis.
Look at our highlight though, it's popping. Oh my goodness. Ooh.
Okay, so the colors that I'm going to be using, well, the palette that I'm going to be using, it's my James Charles palette. It's kind of dirty, sorry, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, back to what I was saying. I'm going to be using this dark green. I can't learn the names because, you know, it's just too much.
They don't even got the label, so it's
No,
not
I purposely saved it.
Oh.
But I'm not going to learn them because I'm not going to waste my time. This is too much to learn. Not in school no more.
And that's on not reading. I'm gonna be going in with this green right over here.
I told you, we're trying to show love to St. Patrick's.
Yeah.
Even though we're not Irish.
Oh! Oh, Masterpiece. Shout out to Bad Bunny, period.
I love you. Now I'm gonna put the lighter, Jesus. Okay, the lighter green on top of the dark that I got going on. It's kind of creepy. I look scary as hell right now, but you know.
This blending process
It's real, okay?
It's real.
We don't get enough credit. They'd be like, oh, you wear too much in makeup. Like, do you know how hard, you know how much work that goes into this?
period.
Please.
And also, if you start with the darkest shadow and the colors you're picking out for your eyeshadow and just pack it right there and then go in second with the lightest, it's honestly such a quicker process. And we've been doing that lately, and really all our lives we've been going from lightest shadow to darkest, when darkest shadow to
You see
lightest
the
is pretty
blend?
easier.
Do you see that blend?
Yeah, like try it out, you guys. It's fun trying out like new techniques. And now we're gonna cut our creases, you guys. So I'm gonna be going in with this pressed glitter inside of the Fierce by Nature palette by Morphe.
I'm gonna go in with the Daisy palette, and the color that I'm gonna use is Slime. This right here kind of looks like a booger, but you know, it's okay. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go in ahead with my darker color again, and then I'll just put it right here and then blend it in. We need to go back to DR, you know, and like stick to our Spanish roots. I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild glitter liner and pray for me.
It's gonna look good.
But my hands aren't steady. This is why I'm not good at eyeliner either. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead with my LA Girl green pencil, and I'm gonna just put it in my waterline.
I'm gonna be going in with my Fenty Beauty eyeliner in Jalapeno.
There should be like a TikTok on how like girls, like when they're doing makeup, like especially near their eye, how their faces go like, I do that. I'm gonna go back in with the darker color and just to put it on the outside of my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Maybelline mascara just a little bit because I will be putting lashes on.
So I ended up going in with Yelika's eyeliner, the glitter, and I just did this. I'm gonna be going in with my BH Cosmetics liquid liner, and I'm just gonna really outline everything and give this look what it needs, because I feel like it's definitely missing something. For lipstick, I'm gonna be going in with my BareMinerals Moxie lipstick in Breakaway.
Well, I already did it by accident, but I did use the Milani lip liner, and then I went ahead with the Simpsons from MAC. There's a collection that my aunt gave me. It's orange, but it looks really good when it's mixed with the liner.
I'm gonna be setting my face with my BareMinerals setting spray.
So I am going to use her
We use each other's
setting
products,
spray.
okay? We don't care.
You know,
We're
sharing is
cousins,
caring, you know what I'm
okay?
saying? But I'm gonna use a setting spray from BareMinerals, and yeah. Oh shit.
You gotta spray all the way, like all the way down.
Now I know that I'm not showing up. And we are all done with this look. Who messed with him before? I haven't. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bitch, come on. Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn. When I said it was too low, you said it was too low. So now what, bitch? Now what, bitch?
Anyways, oh my gosh, okay. And that is it for today's video, you guys. Let us know what you guys think about this St. Patty's Day look.
Like, comment, and subscribe.